Lesson 2.4, solving two-step and multi-step inequalities. So we don't have any vocabulary. We're going to jump right into solving multi-step inequalities, and this should be pretty much the same as solving multi-step equations. Okay? The only thing you have to remember is that you need to flip the sign when you're multiplying or dividing by a negative number. Okay? I've said that in a previous video, but this is really the biggest way, the number one way that students make mistakes with these types of questions. So make sure you get this in your notes and you remember it when you're doing these problems. Okay? So our first step is going to be just like in an equation, isolating our variable. Okay? If they're connected, do your multiplication or division. If they're separate, add or subtract. These two are separate, so I have a positive 2, so I'm going to subtract 2 from each side, subtract 2, and I'm going to end up with a negative x over 3. Because I'm just subtracting from each side, I don't flip my sign, and 1 minus 2 is negative 1, and then I'm going to multiply by negative 3, multiply by negative 3. I'm going to draw my variable, cancel those out, draw my variable, flip my sign, and then negative 1 times negative 3 should be a positive 3. So x is greater than positive 3, and my last step is to graph my solution. So that's going to be an open circle, followed by a arrow going to the right. And we know that because it's a greater than, and also because our variable's on the left, and our sign is pointed to the right, so our arrow is going to point to the right.